Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. What's up? What's up? How we doing? How are we doing? How are we feeling? We got a poll there in the chat. Which superpower would you choose out of the four? Would you rather time travel, be invisible, go flying, read minds? Let me know how you're feeling in the chat. Go ahead and choose one of those answers. Let's see. We got Jess. We got Rose, Tony, B. Chrome, Jose, Leslie, and Bonnie. Hello, hello. Good morning to you. Good morning to all. Time to get started, y'all. We're gonna kick off this morning great. It's been such a slow month for me personally. I don't know about you. Let me know in the chat. It's been a slow month trading wise. But you know, with all this choppiness, I do like the higher time frame, as you know. But if we need to be on a lower time frame, hey, we'll scalp it out today if we need to. Okay, so today's gonna be interesting. We'll see what we get. All right, let's go. I do have the P&L up there. I know it wasn't up there yesterday. I don't know what happened to it. So it is there today. Someone asked. Alrighty. All right, let's do this. Taking a look at gold. All right, I'm on the hourly. We're going to go to the daily. I decided to just refresh my lines every day. That way you can see the daily nice and clear. Okay, and I made my lines a little bit lighter. You'll see when I put them on the chart. So let's talk about this. So on the daily, you know, we have this resistance, this like big range we were in, right? Anyway, we drove all the way up to it. We came out of this, we came back to retest it. So it's very possible that we could be continuing our drive up, right? Very, very possible. Now keep in mind, we are at, you know, resistance on the weekly. And as far as imbalances go, if I were to take the imbalance here on this weekly candle and I drag it over, let's do that. Last week we completed this imbalance because we closed above it, right? We closed above this box. We closed outside of this imbalance. So this imbalance is complete, which means we have no problem continuing down if we need to. So we are in an interesting spot. We're kind of in a spot where it's like, okay, price could travel down. It did yesterday. Okay, price could continue up. We're just in a funny spot, y'all. Okay, and if we were to take this amount on the daily, same thing, right? We closed outside of it. We talked about that last week. Now we can travel down. Okay, and that's what we did yesterday. Now we can travel down, and now we're back inside of this imbalance. So this is really interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this instead, because by doing this, we can get the high, low, and the middle point of this imbalance, right? We have the high of the imbalance, the low of the imbalance, and we have the middle of the imbalance. So this is just me showing you where is price, right? Because that's what you want to find out. Where is price currently at? This is where price currently is. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this on my chart so that you're able to see it. Not that way. Just to make this, you know, as educational as we can make it. All right, it'll be this purple line, nice and light so that it's not really in your way. But because, you know, we are hanging around that middle point, why not keep track of it? All right. All right. Back to what we normally do. Let's place our levels up here. Let me know how you're feeling in the chat. Did you get enough rest? How many hours did you sleep? Let me know in the chat. You feeling refreshed? You feeling tired this morning? How are we feeling, chat? I want to know, how are you feeling? It's about 100 points away. How far is this? 60 points away. Okay, maybe maybe one more. Yeah, pretty good. Ooh, we forgot one. Good thing I double check. Always double check your work, chat. Always double check. And I made them nice and light so they're not really in your way. Once again. And actually, instead of taking the bigger, well, I did take the bigger imbalance over here, but we kind of have a smaller form in here as well. A little funny spot. Funny spot. Let's come up to the 4 hour. All right, 4 hours looking quite bullish right now. Right, we built some support, started moving up. Okay, so we'll see where gold wants to hang around. We have these levels here. Pretty much all set. Just double checking my work. And you know, that's what I do. You know, once I'm done placing my lines, I'm just kind of looking at this in different time frames. Very choppy. Keep creating these zones to break above, then we finally break above. Turn the music down up just slightly. Y'all enjoying the music this morning or what? You like this music? Nice and upbeat. Speaking of, I got copyrighted yesterday. I played 88 songs and 60 out of the 88 got copyrighted. So I pulled the 18 songs that didn't get copyrighted and I put them in a playlist. So we're going to keep playing this music, and I wonder how many of these songs is going to get copyrighted today. And once we finesse our way through which ones get copyrighted, which ones don't, we'll have a full playlist. The ones that don't get copyrighted. So that's going to be interesting. All right, let me highlight these zones for you. I'm just over here taking my time, chat, like we got nothing to do. It's 9:15. Yeah, it's 9:15. Hopefully you like the chart colors. It's not green, it's actually blue. I don't know if you can tell that it's blue. But this color theme's a lot easier to get things to match and kind of go with the scheme, you know what I mean? I feel like we're filming a water slide video with the way this music sounds. You ever watch those water slide videos on YouTube? Like we're going to a theme park or something. No, what'd I do? So I'm just highlighting these to make it easier for you to see them. We got one more. Is that right? Or is there one down here? Lens, what's up, Francis? Lizzie, you only slept for 2 hours. Oh my goodness. It's a snailing month? Absolutely, I agree with you. Definitely a snailing month. So check this out, chat. You can see on the 30-minute this breakout we're having, right? We're up, 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 up. So breakout's currently going to the top side. So we gotta wait, right? Breakout's going up, we gotta wait. So we're chilling. We have an imbalance here, a higher time frame. We also have a level way up here. We are just chilling. Not much to it. Looks like there's a daily level here, so I'm definitely going to tag that out. Because it looks like we're getting a little turbulence in this area. So yesterday when I went away on stream, y'all said there was a Diddy commercial. Hopefully there's no Diddy commercials today, because I don't know what commercial y'all were talking about. What's up, Savo? Savo on the charts. Good morning to you. Steven, good morning to you. Did I miss you, Steven? Don't forget to join us on Facebook, y'all. don't forget to join us on Facebook when you get a chance. The link is always going to be in the description of the stream, by the way. So keep that in mind, but don't forget to join us on Facebook.
1, pick your ring setting. 2, choose your center stone. 3, personalize it. With our wide selection of beautiful settings.
Let's see, what else did I want to add here? There was one more thing I was thinking of.
Ring in our jeweler's workshop right here in our store and protect it with our free lifetime warranty.
Actually, yeah. I don't want to do the bigger imbalance. I want to look at the smaller imbalance. That's what I wanted to change. Yeah, okay. This is what I wanted to see.
We've got your back when it comes to every little detail like RSVPs, budgets, and more. Because your wedding comes to life with the connections that matter the most. Get started at thenot.com/audio. The Knot. Let's plan your wedding together.
Okay, that's it. All right. What's up, Wizzy? Leslie's gonna be right back. Got you. 87, good morning. What's up? What's up? Tony, baby oil and champagne for everyone. Take that, take that. What? Is that what was in the commercial? From yesterday? I have this tea, and it has like a positive like quote every day. This one says, "You are unlimited. You are unlimited." So chat, you are unlimited. The possibilities are endless in what you can do in life. Remember that. Okay, remember. Okay, let's add some bank zones. Area. Perfect. I can barely see them. BB, what's up, BB? Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing well. Chat, let's talk about the news. So we did have core durable goods happen at 8:30, which was about 20 minutes ago. At 9 o'clock, we do have the S&P composite. Not much. But at 10 o'clock, we do have CB consumer confidence. So that's going to be interesting. So don't forget, 10 o'clock, we got news. Okay. Let's see if I anchor 8 o'clock, and if I anchor news. Oh, we're just kind of on top of it. Ooh, we're up. That's interesting. Okay, I just wanted to see. I may still anchor the news though. We're gonna anchor the news because the news did perform pretty, we're consolidating, then the news popped up with a 40-point pop-up. Right now we're hovering around 753, so we're at 53. I do have a bank zone here at 55. We also have a daily level here at 54, so we're hanging around 53. Are we going to get up to 54, 55? Or are we headed back down? So it's kind of what we're looking at right now. 30-minute candle closes in 8 minutes. Okay. And try to look on a lower time frame a little bit here. It does look like price is trying to Ooh, very chopped on the hourly, huh? $18 points down. Okay. I'm going to keep this on the 5-minute. Javon, what's up, Javon? Hey, Grand Rising, I'm here with you. Caught the buys early on GC. Gain of $400. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Phoebe, can you look up NAS or NQ and find such a happy here? Yeah, we got NAS over here to the right. I don't do NAS until usually after 9 o'clock. A little bit closer towards 9:30. I just kind of keep it here. We usually just focus on gold the first 30 minutes or so. Yeah, we got NAS right over here. All right, chat, let's do our daily affirmation. You know what time it is. Let me get a 111 in the chat. 111 angel numbers, 111 for good luck. Let's see what we got for you today for the daily affirmation. Today is January 28th, 2025. Oh, we're zoomed in here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We gotta zoom out. All right. Do yourself a huge favor and start believing that nothing is too good for you. You deserve everything good in life. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. This is such a great one. So many people believe they don't deserve a good thing, or if something good can possibly happen, they're like, oh, no way that's going to happen to me. Good things don't happen to me. But you got to change your mindset. See, you have to believe that you deserve it. Because you do. Everybody deserves good, chat. You know, be a positive person, be a nice person, be a decent human being. You know, and change your mindset. Open your mindset to receiving, chat. That's the hack. People want to know the hack. Open your mindset to receiving good. It's just like with trading. A lot of people say, well, I keep blowing up these funded accounts and I never got a payout and da-da-da and da-da-da. But look at their mindset every day. Their mindset, sometimes they're excited to trade. Other times they're antsy and they just want to get it over with. If you have the mindset of, I just want to get it over with, well, that doesn't sound like someone who's ready to receive, right? Also, if you're not good at handling money, why should you be gifted more? Change your mindset, chat. Change your mindset. It starts now. The good habits start right now. You don't do good habits after you get money. You don't do good habits after you feel like you got a reward. You got it backwards. The good habits start before the reward is received. You get my drift? That's your hack. Tony, I deserve it all. Thanks, can't wait. There you go. There you go. I'm so excited for more people to post their payouts in the chat. That's what we want to work towards. More people posting their payouts, posting that they passed. You know, that's what we want. That's what we want here. More winners. Speaking of chat, yesterday after stream, maybe like an hour after stream, hour and a half after, caught 2 small setups, one on gold. Okay, you can see I'm up 220 here, stops to break even. And then the other one was on NAS. Risk 177, and in this screenshot I was up 240. It went up a little more. But yeah, it made it a break-even day. So yeah, that was yesterday after stream. Market King, good morning to you. Only trading GC now. I've been stuck on it since first time watching you trade it. It's more constant than NQ in the way it moves. Been eating off of GC. Nice. Let's go. That's great to hear. If NAS 1 hour breaks bullish below 21,178, 5 minutes close below, take sales down to next bearish levels. Jotham, good morning, Jotham. What's up? How's it going? Speaking of, let's post some trades from today. We got Fair. Fair posted trade here. Take a look at Fair's chart. And then that one was on gold. Okay, both of these are on gold. I got you, Fair. Both of these are on gold. This one, you got to zoom in to see it. But the arrows are the buys. A little small. It's a little smaller trade. Shout out to Fair. Always posting trades in the chat. Love to see it. Bam! What's up, Smokey? What's up? What's up? Yeah, y'all, throughout the stream, if you want to post your trades in today's trades throughout the stream, feel free to. Feel free to. I will post them. This month, XPX been choppy. Oh, you know, it's funny. I haven't even looked at the SPX. I haven't looked at that in a long time. Been a long, long time. Check out gold here. Circling back up. Got about a minute and 40 seconds till closure, and then we'll be getting a new hourly candle. So just pretty much chilling, waiting. This was a really good move. However, when we came on, the move was already happening. So just patience, you know. When you come on and there's a move going on, you just gotta wait. So we'll wait. We'll see what gold gives us. Let's hang on over towards NAS. Oh my goodness, look at this on the hourly. Jeez. Oh my goodness, look at it on the 4 hour. What in the world? What? Look at the daily. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is going to be a fun breakdown. Whoa, look at the monthly. The monthly is hilarious. Okay. We're going to keep this on the weekly though. I wish I didn't delete all my levels on NAS. I may, just because NAS has way more levels for me than gold, I may keep these levels on just so y'all know. Because we are not doing this every single morning. It's going to be a lot of levels because there's a lot of choppiness. In case you're wondering. If there's a lot of chop, I'm going to have a lot of levels. But I'm going to try to put a little bit less than normal so that it's not too overwhelming. Maybe 300, 300. Okay, maybe a few more. A few more and we're done. Let me double check those. Okay, maybe, yep, up here. Definitely up here. And one more and we're good. We are good to go. All right, Nas. Let's tackle this. Let's go down to the daily. Holy range, chat. Holy range. Well, let's pick this apart a little bit. If you take a look at this range we were in, right? We were kind of in this for a while. We came up out of it and now we're retesting the top of it. So one or two things is going to happen. Either we're coming down or we're going to continue up. That's exactly how I'm looking at it. Okay. So, you know, if we're respecting this level here that we're at, where are we at? 291, 290? Yeah, I mean, if we're respecting these levels in here, we're probably going to be continuing up. We'll see. We can always drive down, but we're definitely going to be paying attention to how price acts here.
You're always welcome at our table. Look for Bob's Red Mill Oats in the blue bag.
You found your
Check this
person.
out in the
Now
4
let
hour.
the knot help you with everything else. The knot connects you to the wedding inspo, vendors, venues, and
Yeah, I mean, it almost looks like it's forming a support because we keep closing at higher price
We've
levels.
got your back when it comes to every little detail.
Okay, we do have about
Budgets and more. Because your
1
wedding
hour
comes to
left
life
on
with
this
the
4 hour
connections that
candle.
matter the most. Get
So at
started
9:30, we could get that
knot.com/RV.
volume to flip
The
this
Knot.
up
Let's plan your
bullish
wedding together.
and continue driving up. We
Jewelry
could.
Graham, it's your friends at Shane Company here to remind you that Valentine's Day is
possibility,
Friday,
right?
February 14th. We have just the right gift for your sweetheart, like heart-shaped necklaces, birthstones, or diamond stones.
Oh, my bad, y'all. Is the
Engaged,
commercial too loud?
create a dream ring and choose from natural rubies, colorful sapphires, and natural and lab-grown diamonds in all shapes.
But we'll
and
see.
sizes.
We'll see. I'm
Shane
not
Company
I'm
loves
not
always
decided, oh my
everything
god, it's bullish or oh my god, it's bearish.
everyday competitive
It would look
prices.
way better if it's
Visit us in
bullish, of
store
course,
or
right?
at
Because
shaneco.com.
this area at the
Shane
top
Company,
looks
your
way
friend jeweler.
cleaner than the area at the bottom, but we don't always get what we want in the market. For all we know, we may consolidate today, so we'll see. We will see. We'll see what type of volume 9:30 brings. That's all we can do, chat. But let me see this on the daily again. Okay, yeah. Not a fan of that level. Man, it's going to be an interesting day. Well, let's hope and pray we survive this trading day. Let's hope and pray we do our best, because this is going to be a tricky day, I bet. I bet. Where's the VWAP? Yeah, VWAP. Come out, VWAP. Where are you at in all this? Let's see. Okay, we're below it currently. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely keeping that up today. Was it 6 a.m.? Little candle flip down at 6 a.m. though. That's not bad price action right there. That's okay. Don't look too bad. We'll see what we get, chat. Ronald, what's up, Ronald? Hey, Linz, how are you today? Watching from Zimbabwe. Go on, girl. I appreciate you, Ronald. I'm doing great. I hope you're doing well. So thank you. Thank you. This higher time frame's got me, chat. It's really got me. That's why I keep skipping to it, but it's all good. I think the garbage just fell over. It's probably my dog, chat, home. Oh my god, I almost knocked my tea over, did I? Oh my goodness. That would have been something. Alright. Taking a looking at gold, we did get up to the 54 level, to the 55 level. Now we're hanging around 55. Interesting push. We have our new hourly candle, by the way. just looking at NAS here. We did close below 304 level. So let's highlight these levels here on NAS. Yeah, I like the chart. It's nice and neat. You like this blue? It's a little different. I know it looks kind of greenish, but I think it really highlights the candles pretty well, this blue color. I'm just highlighting these zones so it's much easier for you to see. Some of you are using your phones. And I'll highlight more when we get to it. For now, I'll just do this. That way it's nice and simple. What's up, Fair? What's up? What's up? Lower time frame, NAS switch bullish. Higher time frame, not yet. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. What's up, Rock? Good morning to you, Rock. Yo, what's up, Frankie? For some reason, I keep losing my internet connection. See if you see me in and out. Oh, do you? Oh man. Hopefully we can fix that for you. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Sometimes you gotta like reset your router, you know, just unplug it for 10 seconds and then just plug it back in. Sometimes you gotta do that. Peep my trades. Yeah, I did post your trades maybe about 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago I pulled up some of your trades. Alright, so here we go with this new hourly candle. Getting into some resistance here on gold. A little bit of a pushback here. I like that we took out the previous high on the 5 minute. That's like a mini liquidity grab. Let's check it out in the lower time frame. You know, chat, we kind of had a like a mini pendant going on here. See, these may be the type of trades we got to take today, these little breakouts, because we don't know what type of market we walking into. But you know, chat, it could be that simple, chat. Those of you who recognize these little pendant breakouts, do pop, nice small pop, 20-30 points, done. You know, because your stop loss is going to be small, so you can really leverage that to make some good money, you know, on these little pops. I'm gonna keep it on a 15-minute for now. It's not too likable. Not the 15, the 5 minute. 5 minute. I'm gonna put some bank zones on NAS. By the way, chat, I got good news. The bank zones have been complete. Got a new addition to the indicator. So those of you using my bank zone indicator right now on TradingView, just know that it's going to be a whole different one. So I'm looking for that video to drop this Friday, so look out for it. Alright, Bank Zones 2025, new indicator. It's going to be free for you to use, so you can get some of these nice levels on your chart. Free for you to use. Just like the last one was. The last one's been up there about 2 years. It was always free for anyone to use. So is this one. Are these too light on my chart? Do I need to make them a little bit more visible? How about I can't see it? Maybe a little 50%. Yeah, 50% won't hurt, right? Let's make this one 50%. Let's make this 50%, this 50%. Oh. All right, y'all, we're rocking and we're rolling. We have 2 minutes till the 15-minute candle closes. I'll let you know when I see something. Like I said, today may be more of a scalp day. It really depends. It looks like we are going to be dealing with a lot of choppiness. So, when it comes to my trading, I learned over the years that I got to adapt and adjust to the markets. It's not a time where I can just use the 30-minute all the time or 15-minute all the time. I know how to scalp as well. You know what I mean? It's kind of like basketball. Like, you have different moves, right? Players got different type of crossovers, right? Not always going between your legs and going back to your other hand and going around someone. Sometimes you're going between your legs twice, then you're going around someone, right? That's another move to your back. Sometimes you're going between your legs, behind your back, and then crossing over again to the other hand, right? There's so many different, you know what I'm saying? There's so many different moves you can add to your bag. So it's just like that in trading, where there's different moves you can have, All right, let's see. Looking a little bearish. Looking a little bearish here. Ian, yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, Seven? Tisk, wait, did I miss something? Nope, no. Oh, you wanted me to peep your trades now. Okay, hold on. Y'all are so funny. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got Fair with the trade sent into the Discord. Let's check this out. This is on gold on the 1 minute here. Whoa, look at that risk. Such a teeny tiny risk. Look at the return though. Did I say 21x? Am I tripping? Oh, there's two. 21x return and an 18x return. Look at that. Nice. Sir True, good morning to you. What are you trading on the left side of your screen? On the left side, we have gold. GC is gold. M stands for micro, so it's micro gold. On the right side, we have NAS. NQ stands for NAS, micro NAS. The reason why I trade micro gold, I would trade regular gold because one contract is $10, so it's not that bad. But sometimes I'm risking like 40 points, 45 points, and I don't want to use one contract on that, so it's just easier for me to use the micro and scale into the position a little better. So that's the only reason why I'm using micro gold. For micro NAS, I use micro NAS because the regular Nasdaq, one contract is $20, and I'm not allowed a certain amount of leverage. So I'd rather use the same risk on my personal account that I'm using here because it's way easier to do the math, Like if I'm risking 100 on my personal account, if I'm risking 100 here, it's way easier to do the math. Or if I'm risking 200 on my personal account, 200 here, way easier to do the math, just doing the same thing, you know. Candle flip NAS 15-minute. Let's check it out, Ian. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, coming down, yeah. Yeah, we did have one coming down in here.
So why not make it delicious? Start your day with
But
Bob's Red
this is a little different because,
simple ingredient.
you know, in our candle flip examples, usually the structure, whoops, I do.
You can have a naturally delicious breakfast.
Usually the structure next to it, there's nothing like here hanging, you know what I mean? Like usually you don't have this here. Usually it's just this up here, then you get your flip and continue down.
You've got ideas, and then
But nothing that broke below already, you know what I mean? So
inspo and
a little bit of a tough position.
finding your venue with
You're in sales, BB? Nice, nice.
We'll connect you to all the people, places, and tools you need. This may be the first time you're putting together something this big, this visible, and this meaningful. And the knot is taking the guesswork out
Okay,
of it.
let's see.
Get started at thenot.com/audio. The Knot. Let's plan your wedding together.
I fall in love with you more every single
Ooh, NAS is, you know,
My favorite. My heart belongs to you. At Shane Company,
sells on NAS. I could definitely see sells on NAS. This is a very,
Shop our collection of meaningful gifts. Like
it's a very interesting price point for NAS because I could also see a reverse, so I could see both.
stylish 14-karat gold chain. We have so many
I could see
organic
both.
gifts, no matter your budget. Just call us
Tis
Shane
NAS. I mean, this is rough. This is rough. We'll do what we can though. We got about 10 minutes till the market opens here. We're gonna have a nice slow approach. So if you're with me earlier, that was the pre-party. The party's really getting started in about 10 minutes here. So you see how I get up early enough where I can take my time, I can do my analysis, I can chat with y'all. You know, we're taking our time, setting things up. And now we can patiently take a breath to take in the market. You have some time to look at it. And then the party gets started in about 10 minutes. You know, instead of getting up here and rushing and, you know, just take my time. No, the last 6 months, last maybe 5 months, started trading at like 9:30 and after, or 10 o'clock. So it's kind of simple for me, you know. Nas doing a double bottom on my daily pivot. Ooh, I see it bouncing up. What's up, Kay? Good morning to you. Interesting, interesting. Okay, so we have some people looking at sells and Nas. We have some people looking at buys. I like it, I like it. Yeah, my only problem with selling it is that we're in a range. You know, we are literally in a range. That's my only issue with it. These little pop-ups. Little old pop-ups. We just popping up, popping up, popping up. I'm a little slower when it comes to scalping chat currently because it's not something I do every single day, all day, you know what I mean? I do it once in a while. But I do see few little opportunities there that were missed. We'll see how it goes though. We are far away from our regular VBOP, by the way, so the buys are buying. We're almost up to that level I have here in a higher time frame, so we are almost there. But at this point, if we touch this, then I feel like we will touch this. So it could be that we're just gonna buy up today on gold. That is about 400 points more. That's asking for a lot, huh? Although, how big is this candle? This candle's 900 points? What? Okay, maybe asking for 400 more ain't too bad then. Hey, we may get it. So I'll wait, see if we have like a pullback or something. We've been having pullbacks on a lower time frame, yeah. On a lower time frame, we've had some pullbacks, but there's got to be some type of big pullback coming. I mean, look at this. We're bull, 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 bull. Got to be something. NASA's tricking anyway. I love trading YM. Oh, you trade US 30. Okay. And you know what's funny? It caught sales around the same point yesterday after the buys were executed. Oh, did you? If I were to buy NAS, I would need it to be above the daily open. It's interesting. Above the daily open. I'll take a look at NAS in about, that candle closes in about a minute, like 1 minute. We're gonna put it on a higher time frame and break it down one more time, just to see. What's up, Dom? Dom, did you mean to put a HI in the chat? Good morning to you. Okay, let's see. I had to add another zone. Right at the 60s. 60s is up here. This 30-minute candle. And on a 1 hour. Of course, it's going to look the same because it's the first 30 minutes. But this is what I mean. Like 9 o'clock just came in strong. We didn't really, you know. I thought we may make like a little bottom wick or something. We did, but maybe a little more. Jeez. All right, let's take a look at NAS. Let's take a look at it. I have a few comments to make about it, okay? Because this is looking interesting. Okay, on the daily, I'm not going to make a comment on the daily. But I will make a comment on the 4 hour. The way I see this is if we go bullish, then it's going to flip this 4 hour and continue driving up. That's the way I see it. But as you can see on the daily, we got this doji going on. The opening is at 340 and we're hanging around the 300s. So yeah, it's very, very interesting. Now taking a look at it on the 1 hour, the reason why is I would have a problem with sells is because of all this liquidity sitting here. We can just grab that liquidity and head up. You know? We sure can. So yeah, that's my only problem. I mean, don't get me wrong, we did close bearish below this level, but we'll see. It's a tough call. Tough call the way it looks right now. We do have the VWAP up here, so I am going to be watching to see, especially at 9:30 in 4 minutes, what we do when we touch this VWAP, right? Other than that, if I'm following this in order on the 30-minute, it's giving bullish vibes. Because I don't have my, I can't go back in replay mode, huh? Because look at this 3-bar reversal here in the 30-minute, right? We got this 3-bar reversal vibe going on. We have a retracement. Here we go, pulling up. If this candle pulls up bullish and continues pushing through, we're probably going up. So yeah, that's my thought process on that. And if I were to break this down and throw like a fib up here, definitely lines up pretty good. We're getting a candle flip here in the 15-minute. Double bottom vibes. You know, there's a few things here that look okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say bullish if we can push through that level. But the question is where to, and the level I'm talking about is the orange level. See what type of stop loss can we have here. Ooh, it's gonna be interesting, chat. So I told you to buy gold, hold yesterday. Oh yeah, Sam, are you still holding from yesterday? Okay, chat, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds to figure this out. So I'm thinking if this buys up, right? If this candle just closes the way it looks, I'm just thinking stop loss wise. Where I'd want my stop loss to be. Oh, if we put it below this low, it'd be about 43 points. We'll see. I'll be watching these two areas. 43 points. Be a small risk. All right, let's see. 10 seconds on the clock, y'all. See, maybe we may get a bottom wick and a push up. Let's see. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. No. Oh, looks. See. Come on. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna give it a buy, chat. We're gonna put our stop below here. We just touched the VWAP. Jeez, that touch on that VWAP really that took us out. Okay. It's okay, give it a try there. Man, what a sneaky one, ass. that VWAP touch. Look at that. Just couldn't break through. You still in SAS? You still in sales, BB? Got out, the market opened at 6. Forgot about the trade. It was less than profit. Hit my stop loss and profit in one position. Smokey posted in today's trades. Let me see. Gotta pull it up. We got Smokey. Smokey says, this is my current situation. Ooh, okay. And gold buys. Oh, yeah, so you get up earlier than me, so you were in there early. Yeah, you got in early down there. Very nice. Very nice. I was looking for a pullback on gold, but it looks like all we got was this bottom wick, eh? Jeez, gold don't want to give nothing up. VWAP hit like a hammer. Yeah, that's a good way to say it. VWAP hit like a hammer. Okay, let's update today's trades. Today's trades.
Amazon One Medical presents Painful Thoughts.
What's that say? 192? 68.
Next time, make an appointment with an Amazon.
We don't have to put the change. We'll just put the
No sweat. Amazon One Medical.
we'll just put what it is. 192.
You found your person.
576.
The knot connects you to the wedding inspo, vendors, venues, and planning tools you need to make your day.
Okay, there we go.
Having helped plan 25 million.
Holding to 21,000.
Comes to every little detail like RSVPs.
Jeez.
Because your wedding comes to life with the connections that matter the most. Get started at thenot.com/audio. The Knot. Let's plan your wedding together.
Remember, we do have news coming up at 10. No fun, this candle here on gold. Goodness gracious, up 70 points. I mean, if you look at it in the 5 minute, it's like, I guess 9:15 was the only chance to, in this hour to really get in at the new breakout, besides right here at 9:30. I feel like NAS always gets me at the opening. Not all the time, but sometimes. Oh, you know what? This 3 minute kind of said it all. Kind of got like a 3-bar reversal here, right? Look at this wick rejecting it too on the 3 minute. I guess you kind of have like a, I'm just looking at patterns on lower time frame. I guess you kind of have that like fake out, breakout vibe, right? Fake out, then the breakout going on in the bearish pendant. Sort of. All right, we'll see here. We got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle here. I'm getting a little bit cold, chat. So I'm gonna go turn off the air. Wow. Look at this. What in the world is going on gold? Whoa. Y'all see that candle on the 1 minute? I know that candle just pissed somebody off. Holy. All right, we'll keep it on the 3 minute. Be right back, chat. Let me just turn off the air. Enjoy the music. See what we got. Alrighty. Whoa, look at gold. Gold making a statement. $30 points away. I am gonna anchor that 930. Oh, see, if that's a pullback, I don't want to take this, chat. I don't want to take this. I have a zone right here, 8 points away. Then I have a zone right here, 15 points away. And another zone, 24 points away. It'd be different if I didn't have this and this, and it was just this here, yeah. But not looking too strong to me. Ice, I'm expecting gold sells based on the pattern I trade. Nice, nice. Player said gold is gone. Yeah, see, right where these lines start to get a little closer makes me question how far the buys are going to go now. Question is, what is it looking like to the left? Okay, we're coming up into that 4-hour candle. If we're selling off, it may be the next 4-hour candle, which is in 18 minutes. We didn't break this high, huh? Ooh, look at it on the 5 minute. Kind of got that 3-bar reversal vibe going on here, right? This candle took out this high here. Put a line there, maybe watching that for a little bit. Oh, I like this. I do like this, chat. $28 points. About 2 minutes till the 15-minute candle closes. My only issue is we're getting a new hourly candle. That's my only issue. Wish I could change my poll question answer. Chose to read minds. Should have chose time travel. Oh, I think you can, right? I think you can. You click on it and open it again. You should be able to click again. Chat, I think if I just talked about NAS, but I'm gonna say it one more time. Looking right here, where we have this like 3-bar reversal, and then we have like this retest. I'm thinking if we gave it another chance and saw it going down this way, this would have been a great trade here. Like right here would be like 800, almost 900 based on risk. Yeah, it'd be about 800 and change, which would obviously make back the 192, you know? Okay, let's see though. Let's see. I'm gonna delete that and that. We're gonna move this down to 200 because we hit 200. Now we're below 200. Put the next one at 150. Okay, there we go. They're at 150. So this orange line is just the price point that I'm watching. I was thinking if we stayed below that, we'd be starting to sell. But my only issue with this is we have a new hourly candle coming. But man, it looks great. I'm gonna be patient, chat. I'm gonna be patient. You're in gold sales, old wise man. Good morning, welcome to the stream. Sorry, I just now seen that message. Let's see here, chat. We are just taking our time today. It's okay to get burnt on the first trade. I mean, no one wants to get burnt out on the first trade, of course, but it happens. Got stopped out on Dow buys. The sucker reversed on me. It's okay though. Ah, man, Ian. Yeah, it's okay. It's all good. Next in innovation. What's up? Good morning to you. And you see, chat, this is why I wait. You see what gold's doing? You see this? You see it? This is why sometimes, you know, you gotta just look at the time frame. You gotta look at the time frame. The time frame shows we're about to get a new 4 hour, we're about to get a new 1 hour. You know, it could be a tricky spot. It may be doing early sells to get people, and then we got a new hourly coming, you know. Now this could just be a retest, just be an extra. Ooh, was that a top wick? Oh, see, now it looks like a candle flip down, doesn't it? This candle comes straight down pushing, it's gonna look like a candle flip. That's my news anchor, but where's 8 o'clock? This is 8 o'clock. 35. This could be a hell of a fall. 90 points. Tough to wait, chat. It's tough to wait. It's starting to look good. We got 10 minutes left. M&Q could fall to the hourly support. What's up, Jess? Good morning to you. At 21,000. 21,000. Okay, let's take a little break. Let's come over here to NQ. 21,000. Ooh, yeah, I do have a zone here. I'll highlight it for you. Yeah, I have a zone here at 21,000 and change. 21,003 on the dot. And then there's another zone right under that in the 80s. Jeez. This thing looks crazy, right? Is it me or is the music so good today? I feel like the music is so good today. I don't know. Don't mind me, child. I'm enjoying the music in the background.
You found your person. Now
Like
let
it's
the knot help you with everything
it's
else.
keeping you up.
The knot connects you to the wedding inspiration
Not these commercials, though. These random commercials are
you need to make your day
getting there.
totally you. Having helped plan 25 million weddings, we've got your back when it comes to every little detail like RSVPs, budgets, and more. Because your wedding comes to life.
Commercials gotta go. But other than the commercials,
Get started
we're
at
good.
thenot.com/audio. The Knot. Let's plan your wedding together.
Lauren's ready to transfer her college credits, but she's stuck repeating a course she's already passed.
This class again?
No matter how much gold plays in here, I still believe if we fall short under this
Eligible transfer credits
zone,
time. Plus, there's a scholarship for transfer students.
Finally.
yeah, I still believe if we fall short under this zone,
Faster.
then we're coming down.
Calls facing a slew of allegations.
He's innocent and will fight every day.
We did not realize the extent of the darkness. It was horrific.
I'm fighting for my life. He said, I'm pumped in. I'll eat your face off.
I always believed that I was the only victim.
I do see Nash, chat. I do see Nash.
Fall of Diddy, an ID documentary event, Monday, January 27th at 9.
just riding this. I do believe that if we flip down, use this as a stop loss, 27. We got 8 minutes. She may actually go this time though, chat. See if we can come down and break through here. 27.57, right where my cursor is. This the Diddy commercial we're talking about? Oh, that was the Diddy. Chopped out now wants to start going up. Yeah, I know. Yeah, NASA's being NAS. The W fake out was crazy. Should have left it alone. Jumped into SPX buys, not realizing it was 9:30. Boom! It tanked. Live chat. What's up? What's up? What ticker are you trading? To the left, we have gold, micro gold. GC is gold. NQ is NAS. We have micro NAS. No, did I just freeze? Did I just freeze, chat? Hold on, chat. I think I just froze. We good? Oh, it was their platform, not me. I like sells here, chat. Remember I said if we stay below this orange line, I like the sells here. Oh, wait. Now the time frame is freezing again. It's the last 5-minute candle. This is exactly where I would like to take a sell. See if we can make it. Is this going to make a top wick rejection and come down? Then I'm with it all the way. All the way back down towards the middle here. 85 points. Come on, breakthrough. Oh my goodness, gold plays so much, chat. It just plays. Oh, NASA's being annoying too. We got 3 minutes till closure. I'd hate to see this do it in the last 2 minutes. We're just gonna have to wait, chat. We're gonna have to wait. We waited it out this long. We got 2 more minutes left. It is just so annoying to watch it though. It's really trying to get people to take sells. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Old Wiseman, did I read your chat? Old Wiseman, good morning. Your streams are great. Have shown me an example of how to execute with less emotion, how to take losses better. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Losses are a part of the game. It's normal. The only people that shame you for losses are people who aren't profitable traders. It's just like with athletes. An athlete, like a professional athlete, is not going to shame you for trying to get better at a sport that they're a pro at. They're going to encourage you because they know what it's like. This is so annoying. Oh my goodness, Gold. Just stay under the damn orange line already. Come on. What is this? The strength and patience we're having, chat, to not enter when this had a top wick and flipped bearish. Now the wick is even steeper. Oh my goodness, it's so tempting. It is too tempting, chat. It's too tempting. We have 1 minute and 38 seconds. It's looking too good. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm just waiting. We gonna wait. Data report at 10 could probably help push gold down depending on if it's good or bad report. You're looking for longs in gold. It looks bullish. No, I was actually looking for it to sell off, but right now it's starting to consolidate its way. Well, we got the news coming up here. 50 seconds, we got news. Leslie said, well, look at that. Yeah, this pullback. We had a 3-bar in the 5 minute. Right down here. It was very quick. I didn't see it till after. Very, very quick. While I'm at it, let me anchor 9:30. Yeah, let's anchor 9:30. Here we go. 15 seconds on the clock, and we got news coming through. The news will be coming through here. Oh. All right, we just took out the previous 15-minute high. There on gold. Now if this flips down here, I'd be more keen to enter. Stop loss at the tippity top. I remember we wanted price to stay below this level. This was the level I was looking at. Okay, what is this song? This song about to get changed. Hold on. This song is not giving me profitable vibes. This song is not making the cut. Hold on, chat. I'm sorry, but that song had to go. All right, we're very much bullish here on NAS. Look at that push. Currently bullish. The news was negative. It was negative. Slightly lower than expected. Slightly lower. Alright. I'm gonna enter sells here on gold. Stop loss above the highs. looking to come all the way down towards this level right here, this pinkish level, for about 84 points. What is that, like $400? 415, 420, 415. Hey. May even lower my risk. 50. I'll watch it on a 5-minute. So again, looking for price to stay below this level here. We keep hovering below it. But that's what I'm looking for. If we can't stay below this level, then I'll have to cut it. You know, I'll have to cut the trade. But looking for us to stay below this orange level. If we stay below that orange price level, we should be headed to the south side. So we did get a closure that's bearish, but it still doesn't mean much yet because we're just hanging around. NAS is up. Tip, loving that music. If it gets below 27.55, I'll join. 27.55. Okay, over here. Yeah, I got a timer on it in my head. If it takes too long, I'm cutting this. All the way cutting it. Cutting the trade. Y'all were liking this song? It was hyping y'all up? I'm sorry. Well, I didn't delete it out the playlist. I kept it, but I'm actually excited to see after stream how many copyright strikes I get today. I had to deal with 60 of them yesterday to make sure I could stream today, so good luck to me, y'all. Not trying to get the channel flagged down and taken down. We'll see. Hopefully at least a few of these songs are non-copyrighted. We'll see. I won't know till after. Alright, chat. You've seen the execution here. Very much the patience was tested in this setup. Like, patience was tested. Still early. Still very, very early. It could just be testing out that daily level there. It's really, really struggling to hold these cells. I think people are a little nervous to sell it here. But if we do come back down towards 755.6, that's where I would want to move my stop loss. And what I'm going to do, in fact, is move my stop loss here for $50, because remember, my theory is we should be staying below this level. If we stay below this level, we should be selling off. So if we come back up to that level, then I'm thinking we're not selling off. So I'm going to minimize my risk to $50. So we're risking, now we're risking 50 for 415, which is an 8x return, right? So that's an even
Dax, are you?
better return.
Carvana value tracker on all our devices? Yes.
I've been looking for my phone for.
Value surge. Trucks up 3.9%.
Wait, that's a great offer.
Sell?
Sell.
Track your car's value with Carvana value tracker today.
Hi, welcome to IKEA.
Which is the opening of the candle, by the way, and the 15-minute.
It's the IKEA sleep
We're only halfway done with this 15-minute.
off all mattresses, pillows, and
Just a
bedding.
heads up, we do have another
Nope, you're wide awake.
5-minute
Shop and save
candle
the
to
IKEA
go.
sleep event through February 18th, and visit your local store on February
And we're
15th.
still not
Get
really
story
going
hour, games,
anywhere.
activities, food offers, and more. Offer valid 1/22
It's very
to
annoying. We're not
25
really,
while supplies last. Selection may vary. See store and IKEA-USA.com.
yeah, we're not really holding cells.
Details, restrictions apply.
Welcome to Peloton, where you can go hard, then go, pushed by that thing that gets you moving, or stretching, or lifting, or meditating. Finding that perfect something to fill a quick 10 minutes, or one of those rare clear hours. Join us on the leaderboard.
Looks a little
to
messy,
train
doesn't it?
world record breakers who will run by your side. Whatever life throws at you, be ready for it all. Or you can mix it up and sweat it out. Challenge yourself every day in every way with Peloton Tread at onepeloton.com. Find your push. Find your power. Peloton.
Oh my goodness, look at Nas. Look at Nas. Can't even. Oh, you know, I didn't even do the opening range, but if we were to do it, it should look something like this. Let me just double check. Yeah. Looks something like that. So I mean, chat, we are barely holding these cells. New 5-minute candle. Now we're back at the flip zone. These markets are moving and then they're choppy and then they're moving and then they're choppy, eh? Two 2756 support retest. 2756. Oh, the bounce right here. Yeah, I had quite the bounce off that level, huh? It's a daily level for me. Cut my buy early for 80 points. Didn't like that. Sales look great though. Have a pipping trade today. See you, Leslie. Leslie said I'm leaving the internet. I'm leaving the internet today. Man, this chopped mess is insane. Ten seconds till closure here. Yeah, it's looking like we're in the chop fest. Yep. Alright, that's minus 50. That's minus 50, chat. Kind of looks like this might have been the pullback. Now that it didn't do continuation sells, right? We'll see. I mean, hourly candle just started, so we'll let it do its chop fest for a little while. See if we anchor the 8:30 news, and if we anchor 9:30, we have the pinch in here, right? Too bad I didn't have that kept on. Because the pinch kind of shows you where the consolidation is going to be. But I mean, at least we minimize risk, you know? We minimize risk. Okay, let's see. That's one on gold. That's one on NAS. What pair is going to save the day today? Holding out in the chop. I'm at break even. Probably waiting for tomorrow. Big news. Tomorrow we have CAD, monetary policy, rate statements, overnight rates, USD crude oil inventories, and FOMC day. Holy FOMC. Oh my goodness. Completely forgot that was tomorrow. That's going to be interesting tomorrow. Chat, I'm just going to be patient, chat. Luckily, risk was cut there, so only down like one trade. Basically down one trade. So that's how I like minimize my losses in a sense. I minimize risk throughout my trade. Hoodie looks super comfortable. Thank you, thank you. It's Fear of God. Essentials. I don't know if you can see it. Fear of God. $100 hoodie. Well worth. Well worth. I love it. Don't be like me, chat. Don't be spending all that. No hoodie. Don't do that. Catch things on sale, chat. That's what you should do. I bought this a long time ago, chat. I wouldn't buy it now. Well, for the price point, I wouldn't buy it now. Vero, what's up, Vero? Good morning. Not sure if the Asian Tokyo markets are open. It's a new year for them there. Oh, it's New Year's for them, yeah. Almost forgot about that. Oh my, it's looking like we're continuing up. Okay, we're gonna leave gold on the 5 minute. I'm gonna keep it zoomed in here. We're gonna be looking at NAS a little bit more than gold. All right, let's see. Wow. now, are we going bullish? Because if we cross right here, we'll be flipping up, right? Markets, man. I think the markets is gonna, I feel like it's just gonna stay chopped in this big zone in a sense. I mean, I hope not, but that's what it feels like. I mean, we don't really need that, but it's anchor 10 o'clock. News. Over here, I'm at anchor 10 o'clock as well. Alright, y'all. Looks like it's gonna be a little bit of time to start circulating around here. Because even though NASA's headed up right now, we do have resistance coming up very shortly. We're also inside of this chopped zone. So this is going to be very interesting to see how this plays a role. I'm just going to move these zones up. They're in the wrong spot. How come I can't get these in the right spot? All right, tough spot on NAS. This is a tough spot. It's gonna be a little tough. It's pushing though. It's pushing. We're at 380. Looks like we may be getting to the 400s. We'll see. Tough spot. Sold, it's bullish, higher highs. Not happy, can't permit myself today. Oh, Sam, it's okay, Sam. It's okay, Sam. It happens, Sam. It happens. You know, sometimes you have a day trading where it's just, you know, punch after punch to the gut. You know, sometimes you have a week of trading where it's punch after punch to the gut. Sometimes you have a month of trading, right? There's no way that you think you can't have a red month. Because you can have a red month. So you want to look at trading on a micro scale, right? Look at it as day to day. Am I red? Am I green? Then look at it as week to week. Am I red? Am I green this week? And then look at it month to month. Am I red or am I green this month? You know? Because at the end of the day, you just need more green months than red months overall, right? To be profitable, you know? And this is why we say, you know, for people who say, oh, I'm going to quit my job and I can't wait to quit my job and be a full-time trader. Like, that's not the route. The route is to use trading to, you know, have that financial freedom, like build yourself that way. But it can't just be trading. You have to have another income. You have to have a certain amount of savings saved up. you know? You're not just gonna get a big payout and quit your job. You have to have, you know, a certain amount of savings and establish another side income or something. If you truly believe that the people flaunting millions in front of you are doing nothing but making millions every single year in trading, when I tell you how rare that is, most of the people doing that are not on the internet. Yes, that exists, but they're not on the internet. Like multi-millions, they're not on the internet. I can tell you that. Oh my goodness. Y'all see Nas? This pump is crazy. Yuri M, what's up? What's up? Good day, Lynn's. Run it up. I see you. What's up? Good morning to you. Look out on longs. It's about to pull back. On, what are you talking about? Gold?
Hey, Denny's is cooking up the perfect playlist for all your cravings. From the sweetest hits and all-time favorites like the Everyday Value Slam to the timeless, mouth-watering classic burger and fries. The Denny's 2468 value menu is music to your taste buds.
I guess gold was forming a meal breakout here. Jeez. Not the best of the best today on gold. I mean, we came onto the charts around this time. So we missed this because I was sleeping. I wasn't even up down here. But we came on around this time. And mind you, we're right up here towards this resistance. Didn't really have a pullback unless you looked at it on a lower time frame. And then we get over here and it was pretty much a chopped fest and then a continuation up. So not too much opportunity this morning yet from when we started. But that's okay. We still have, you know, have some time. Took Nas buys, Rose. Very nice. What I'm going to do, chat, I just need to check real quick because I know I have doctor's appointment today, I think. So let me see what time that is real quick. Oh, we got time, chat. I don't have to go till like 2:30. Okay. Well, looks like I could stay on today with y'all, but I'm definitely gonna have to get me some breakfast. Definitely need breakfast, chat. Need $100 to pass. Yeah, let's go, Rose. That's beautiful. 27% chose read minds. Y'all some nosy people. I know why celebrity gossip pages stay on social media walls and I'm not following them. To read minds, that is hilarious. I mean, yeah, reading minds would be interesting. It would be. Oh, I don't know if I want this. Do I want this to eat? Yeah, I don't know what I want to order to eat. Give me a waffle, eggs, and bacon, or what? Alright, there we go. We just ordered some food, chat. So I can stay on longer with you. Consider that as a 5-minute breakout. Took the buy at the break of the 5-minute high. Nice. I feel like gold may slow it down in here. That's why I'm trying to focus a little bit more on NAS. Wow, imagine whoever caught this from down here must be jumping for joy. Like if you caught it down here, oh man, like almost 300 points. 257 points. This thing is a rocket. And you know what's funny? Like, so the way it looks on the 3-minute, right? The way that this looks on the 3-minute is the way I like it to look on the 15-minute. And those are the type of trades I used to take all the time, but on the 15-minute, not based off of the 3-minute. You know, and this just shows you a little bit of glimpse of how much trading has changed, in a sense where you have to be able to adapt and adjust your strategy. Most of you haven't been trading for too long. Most of you haven't been trading for 10 years, the same strategy for 10 years. But think about what you're doing now. If you were trading the same strategy for 10 years and it never set up, like let's say you execute on the 5-minute all the time. You're a 5-minute queen, you're a 5-minute king. And you take the same type of setups 10 years straight. Now imagine the 11th year of you doing the same thing. It no longer sets up like that in the 5-minute. It does that all the time, but on the 1-minute. All the time, but on the 1-minute. You never see it on the 5-minute. You're like, wait, what? It throws you off, right? It throws you off because your profitability was built on something so set in stone, so specific. You see what I'm saying? And that's something a lot of people don't understand, because most people have not been profitable for 10 years. Most people, your first couple of years, you're trying to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, trading is very dynamic. Very, very dynamic. But what's cool about it is it makes you more versatile. You know, it forces you to challenge yourself, right? It forces you to forever be growing, forever be learning. So that is something I like about trading. But yeah, I like this structure, but I'm so used to that structure on a higher time frame. We're not getting these structures on a higher time frame no more. The 5-minute and the 3-minute are now acting like the 15 and the way the 15 and 30-minute used to act. That's how they're acting, the 5 and the 3. Now, the way the 15 and 30-minute are acting is how the 30-minute and the 1 hour used to act all the time. Isn't that interesting? Hey, it is what it is, though. It is what it is. But I just find that interesting. So I'm being patient right now. I can't promise you that I'm going to take another trade on gold today, just based off of the way it's looking. Maybe it needs another hour or two to move around for me to really look at it again. But we're definitely going to be heavily focused on NAS. So what I may do is I may do this. We may push gold to the side. and just heavily focus on NAS here. I'll keep gold right here so you can see it, but I'd really like to focus a little bit more on NAS. That cool with y'all? That looks okay? Or does it look too weird? You want me to change it back? You let me know. If it's hard for you to focus, I'll change it back. And just updating these bank zones. Add one more. What is that? 450, so 500. All right, we're hanging around the 450s. So in other words, the market has to speed up. No, not that the market has to speed up. It's just if you're a higher time frame trader and you're not impulsive, there's not much you can do with the last 3 candlesticks on the 30-minute. Now, if you're a higher time frame trader and you wait for confirmations, you can do stuff with this structure. But there's not much you can do with this structure if you're not impulsive. You know what I mean? If you're a high time frame trader. But once we break it down a little more, yeah, there's a lot you can do on a lower time frame, you know. So, you know, trading really depends on you and your strategy, right? And your adjustments. Like, even though I prefer higher time frame setups, higher time frame entries, that's just not the market we've been having around this time. Maybe around London session, it's been getting great higher time frame entries, but not getting that set up during New York, which could be a bit annoying. Gonna go to a wait. Have a great day, Ice. Have a great day. Sorry you have to go to a wait. You got this, Sam. It's okay. Sometimes you gotta get up, take a step away from the computer and come back. You know? While we're waiting here, chat, you remember I was speaking of the egg shortage that we were having here, and I'm sure everyone's having an egg shortage. There's like no eggs in the store because of the bird flu thing. Well, guess what? Guess what? Yeah, I know. Bad news, bad news. Egg prices in the United States are expected to rise by 20%. You know why? Because it's in demand. We all need eggs. So when something is high in demand, the price goes up. Right? iPhones, price goes up. Anything you can think of that's high in demand, anything high in demand, the price goes up. Jordans, sneakers, price goes up. Now, if nobody gave a damn about it, price wouldn't be hiking up because it wouldn't be enough demand. But yeah, unfortunately, the cost of eggs is going up by 20%, y'all. I know. It's ridiculous. One thing I did hear yesterday was they said that allegedly Trump is looking to take away federal income tax. I don't know. I don't know if that's true or not, but I heard that a few times yesterday. Interesting. I have 5 chickens. Luckily, oh, see, look at you. You got your own eggs. My family in California, their neighbor has eggs, so they just get them from them. Yeah, if you got a neighbor that got eggs, I guess you all set. Let's see. We're just being patient here, y'all. Got another announcement for you. Some interesting news. So we all know car companies, a lot of car companies like to invest in other things just in case the cars go left, right? For an example, Alfa Romeo, he's the maker of Ferragamo, right? A lot of you know the fashion designer Ferragamo. Alfa Romeo, he makes the cars. It's the same guy. That's him. A lot of people don't know that. But I'm sure you've seen Ferragamo belts, right? People like Ferragamo belts, Ferragamo shoes, Ferragamo watch, Ferragamo wallets, you know? But yeah, he's the Alfa Romeo. Those are his luxury cars. So Rolls-Royce has decided to take after that business idea and invest into other things. You'll never guess. What business do you think Rolls-Royce is getting into besides cars? What do you think that they're going to make? Now, I gave you an example. Alfa Romeo, he decided to make a clothing brand along with, you know, the cars. I'll give you a hint. Rolls-Royce did not get into clothing, but what do you think they're going to start making? Go ahead and take a guess. There's so many different industries. Let me see if somebody guesses it. I'm going to be surprised. It's a hard one. It's a hard one to guess. It is guessable, but it's hard. Heard the chickens getting the chicken food. That's a good question, Yo Quet. Hey, that's a great question. We have our theories, right? Watches. That's a great guess. Robotics. Cookware, that's a great guess too. Yeah, good guess. Personal aircrafts. It's a good guess. Okay, y'all got some good guesses. Well, the answer is this. Rolls-Royce secured an $11 billion contract to now build submarines. Out of all the things, a submarine. Furniture would be dope. Imagine Rolls-Royce furniture. Rolls-Royce also makes jet engines. I didn't know they did. I did not know that they made jet engines. Submarine. Now, after the submarine incident last year, what in the world? That's all I got to say. Don't get me wrong, Chad. I know that submarines can be safe. But it's just interesting to me. Let me know in the chat. Have you ever been inside of a submarine? Give me a yes or no. I have. It's very compact and like tight. Not a fan. I'm not a fan of it, but not in the water. We weren't, well, okay, we were in the water, but we weren't underwater. So, well, we were docked. I've been in a submarine where it was docked. So yes, we were in the water, but it was docked. We weren't going out to sea. If that makes sense. I know this ain't about to go down. This is gonna be the fake out of the century if this just shoots down. Don't be disrespectful, Gold. Choppiness is real. Interesting, right? Military aircrafts. Did you know Lambo used to make tractors? Yeah, yep, Lambo used to make tractors. Lamborghini tractors. You haven't? They have the capital for it. Yeah, true, they got the capital for it. Well, they just secured an $11 billion contract to make a bunch of them, so 11 billion is crazy. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing with these submarines? 11 billion? That's what we're spending money on? Something we don't know about, chat. Why right now? That's so random. There's a reason behind everything. Why right now? That's all I'm saying. What are we looking for under there? Candle closes in 2 minutes on the 15. A little bit of a tough spot here. Because we're in the middle of the zone, we're retracing off of the resistance, you know, we're just kind of sitting here. So a little bit of a tough spot currently on NAS. Missed those great buys here on the lower time frame. Less than a minute to go till closure here. Rolls-Royce wants to make submarines because they have extensive expertise in nuclear propulsion systems, which are crucial for powering modern submarines from Google. Oh, thank you, Vero. You Googled it. Oh, nuclear propulsion systems. Wow, that's interesting, right? It's very interesting. Would never have guessed. Oh, did I play through all the songs? Oh, I cannot find the song that's on right now. How come I can't find it? What? Where is this song in the playlist? This isn't in the playlist. Oh, in chat. We're gonna have to redo that playlist. All right, it is giving, I guess they call this a bearish flag. Will we call this a bearish flag? I guess. Bearish flag vibes. All right, we're correcting this big explosive move. We're coming back down to VWAP. This isn't the OG VWAP though. The OG VWAP is down here. This is the VWAP from the 10 o'clock news. If we anchor it from the breakout, that wouldn't be too short of it, okay. Straight to it. In a pop-up, straight to it. Bounce up of 18 points. Wow. Wow. Hi, Ben. What's up, Ben? How's it going? Again, if you're just joining us, we got gold to the left. I did presume it would get a little chopped for a little while, so that's why it's minimized. I'm seeing it, but I'm paying no mind to it, but I'm seeing it. You know what I mean? At this point, it's just a bit of a chop fest for us over here on gold. Kind of letting it be. Trying to focus a little bit more on NAS. Oh, chat, is my food delivered? That's crazy. Just now. Literally says now. It just got delivered. I'm good, chat. I just had a sixth sense. Which superpower would I choose? Time travel? I don't know if I want to go back to back then. Times were rough back then. I feel like we have it easier here in the future than they did back then. Invisibility would be dope. Because, like, you can get into any event and be invisible. You can show up anywhere and just be invisible. Invisibility would be pretty dope, travel-wise. Flying is cool. Reading minds. I don't know if you want to read everybody's mind because I'm already pretty empathic, and I'll tell you, sometimes it's not too fun to be empathic. People's energies could be a little much. So I guess it's between invisibility and flying. Invisibility and flying. Can we combine the two? Be able to fly and be invisible? Because now you could really go wherever you want. It's between those two. I want to combine them. Invisible flyer. It's a hard one, chat. I really want both. This challenge account or express? This is regular express. But I have, yeah, I switch out different accounts. So that's the thing. I do switch out different accounts. Let's talk about that. Actually, let's talk about switching out accounts. So when you have multiple accounts, what you don't want to do is trade all those accounts at once. Number one. Okay. The reason why is because if you have a red week, well, now you had a red week. Let's just say you have 3 accounts. 1, 2, 3. Well, now you had a negative week in all 3 accounts. Versus, okay, if you have a red week, maybe you just traded these accounts this week. Cool. Next week you trade, you may make some money in this account. Next week you trade, you may have a negative week, but it's in this account, right? So now it's a little bit of a mix-up versus you could withdraw some money. You may have to do a little bit of recovering on these two, but at least you're still making some money. Because if you don't do that, then if you trade this one account the whole week, or for the next 3 weeks, now you're down 3 weeks in a row in this account. Or if you trade all 3 accounts in the same week, you're down the first week, you're down the second week, you're down the third week, and now you're down 3 weeks in a row on 3 accounts. Versus all you have to do is this week, trade this group of accounts. Cool, you're down. This week, trade this group of accounts. Cool, you're up. This week, the third week, trade this group of accounts. Okay, you're down. You see what I'm saying? You put all those accounts together and you have a red week. It's boop, 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 right? So you want to leverage, and leverage is a big business term. Having leverage is important, and that's something I learned in business school. You need to be able to leverage your assets. Your accounts are your assets, right? Leverage your cash flow. You got to mix it around. Just like when you invest in stocks, they tell you, you don't just buy one stock, put all your money in one stock, and then boom, that's it. No, you want to leverage your money. You want to put some in tech. You want to put some in pharmaceutical. You want to put some in real estate. You want to split it up. You know, you don't just invest all the money in tech. No, you split it up into different categories. Kind of do the same thing with your accounts. Does that make sense, chat? Let me get a 1 in the chat, if that makes sense. Leverage. It's the word of the day. Leverage your money. It's very important for business. Remember, when you're trading, trading is your business, right? You have a business. You're trading. And even if you didn't pass your challenges yet, or if you failed your challenges, no matter what, you're still working on your business. This is still your business. You all have a business right now. Whether you're profitable in your business or not, you're still working on it. Leverage is important. All right, we are witnessing the Chop Fest on the move down here. Let's see. Let's see. That's what it looks like on the 5-minute. Appreciate the ones, Johnny and D-Hub. I'm gonna go get my food chat because it was delivered like 5 minutes ago now. 6 minutes ago. Let's go get that food. All right. Okay, my bad, y'all. I don't know what happened. But we got our waffle and we got our eggs and bacon. First watch today. All right. Let's come back over.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? So you've got an oil change coming up. We can help you save on the right oil for your vehicle. Right now, get 5 quarts of Castrol Edge Full Synthetic or Castrol Edge Full Synthetic.
All right, let's check into these markets. I will be muting myself while I'm eating.
One of our 6,000 stores or order from AutoZone.com for same-day store pickup or next-day delivery.
We have about 3 minutes till we get a new hourly candle. Looks like we are going to be closing above this structure here. Just being patient here. We're not in a rush. It's in a tough spot currently. Don't like this 30-minute candle for a setup, so we're just waiting. We literally got 3 minutes, chat. Provicio. Thank you, Ivan. You're making me hungry. I'm sorry. Said first watch? Yep. First watch it is.
This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes. All right, let's see. When did you start trading? Probably like a little before 2013. A little bit before then. Like 2012, 2013 era. But it was off and on. It wasn't like trading all the time, you know? It was off and on, trying to figure it out. Wasn't really committed to it. Yeah, all I'm seeing is these like 1 minute scalps. Basically. These 1 minute breakouts, 1 minute scalps. Good for a lower time frame trader, sucks for a higher time frame trader. Here we go, 10 seconds till closure. Alrighty, hourly closed. I wanted to see the daily candle now because it flipped up bullish, right? Yeah. Four-hour flipped up, yep. Oh, that is the next level. Okay, I'm making sure the next level I had was right. It is. So let's highlight it just in case we continue up here. If we continue up today, it's about 98 points away. Chat, I may have to wake y'all up. We may have to get some hype in the chat. Can we get some hype in the chat? See, drop some fire if you're here. If you can drop that official logo, go ahead and drop that as well. I gotta wake y'all up a little bit. Let's see. That's the wake up song. On chat, I'm just trying to see something on my other screen. Oh, okay. I'm weak, turn that back on. What's up, T? Good morning to you. Let's see. 7 minutes, man. Don't like it on these time frames. Trying to see what I like, chat. Trying to see what I like. Back down in this area, okay. We kind of had, you know, this breakout. Now we're coming back to it. Just showing you there. Could be possible that we pull this back up. If we get a flip up on that 3-minute candle, maybe a candle flip on a lower time frame. That'd be a 31 point stop loss. Possible if we flip up bullish here, maybe get that continuation up. Stop loss would be below this candle. Flipped up. We're gonna give that a go. Let's give this one a chance. And I'm thinking that that was the retest for us to continue up bullish. Stop loss, I kind of want the stop loss to be right here for 216, right? Because if we were thinking of this as, well, first of all, I'm thinking of this as a candle flip. We flipped back up bullish, we just took out this low for a liquidity grab. Right, we're gonna get this candle flip. So I'm thinking of it as an early candle flip, but I'm also seeing it as we broke out, we came back to retest, and we may continue flipping up bullish. So that is how I'm looking at this. I know that one just appeared out of nowhere, right? This trade just popped right up. So sometimes that happens, they just pop right up. So I'm thinking if we get a push through 77, because we're at the 50s right now. If we get a push through 77, I'm definitely going to look towards 500 because we have not touched 500. So it's a little more than 1.5 return there, but if we get a push past 500, then I'm going to look towards my next level there, which would be 120 points. That'd be almost a, yeah, it's like almost a 3.5 return. And that'll be 500, what's that? 560s, around 560s. So let's see if we can get this push to 500 first. And then see if we can get a push to the 60s, okay? 20 points in, you know, I do my break even. And we literally just hit break even, which is nice. I may give this a little breathing room because we've been so chopped. So chopped. Let me give it a little bit more breathing room, chat. A little bit higher. So yeah, this is how I'm looking at it. Looking for a launch here to the 500 level. See if we can get a push here to 68 and almost stops to break even. I'll keep it on the 3-minute. 3-minute was a nice view, right? And even this would be a nice scalp too, Chad. It's literally 20 points. But our risk is pretty low. Our risk is only $6 using 3 contracts here. I guess I could have used yeah, I guess we could have used this low here, huh? Ooh. Chat. I think we could have used this low as a stop loss, but that's okay. Giving it some breathing room. So yeah, chat. I'm just gonna mute myself. I'm gonna continue eating. And I'm gonna catch you in a second. All right, let's go ahead and measure this. Got up about 25 points. Most people take their profit at 25, eh? That's at 23. So again, this is supposed to be my break-even spot. 20 points in. Just giving it some time to mix around for us here. Looks good though, because the 15-minute did flip up. We're pretty good under that 30-minute candle. I like this 30-minute flip up for a continuation. 30-minute flip would be beautiful here on Nas. Giving it the nice push that it needs. This is a beautiful flip on the 30. We just broke this resistance too. So we're gonna move stops to break even here. It is a risk-free trade, which is nice. Might have caught this one at the right time, huh? Let's go, chat. Come on, let's pump it up. Let's pump it up. Risk-free trade right now. Alright, so we hit that first level there at 76. We just tapped 76. Hopefully we don't get a big bounce off of there. Hoping we can push through. This is a strong level. It's a very strong level. You saw what happened last time we touched this level. What happened last time? We came down 59 points in the next candle. Very, very strong level. I think we can do it. If we can push past this level, we should be headed to 500. That's the first target here. Should I keep it on the 1 minute? Keep it on 1 minute. 1 minute's more entertaining, right?
Because your wedding comes to life with the connections that matter the most. Get started at thenot.com/audio. The Knot. Let's plan your wedding together.
Some things you wouldn't mind being stuck with, like a huge inheritance, but a phone that has to be plugged
34 points. Like I said, today may be a scalp type of day. It's our first scalp trade. We got burnt on the higher time frame type of setup, so we are switching over to our scalp type of day. And this is kind of a higher time frame setup too. This one's kind of like a mixture. Oh, there we go. We just hit 48. Can we stay above 76? We're pushing past 76. We're at 77 right now. Can we stay above 76? Get a nice push to 500. We're at 476. Come on. Give us that push. Give us that push. We want that push. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. And chat, this may just be the small breakout, right? Because remember, the breakout was on a smaller time frame. This may just be the breakout. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's bigger than this, but we're here, so if we need to close it for a little bit of profit and get back in, we will. This is 50 points. Should be projected to get to 517. What is this? This would be 343. That'll be 718. Ooh. Don't like that candle there. Alright, chat, we're gonna close this for some money. We're gonna reassess this. Man, we could not hold that level. We cannot hold that level. That's one micro? No, that was three. That was 3 contracts. 3 micros. That was $6 a point there. 3 micros. Man, this level is so strong. All right, so close for a little bit of profit there. So we got plus 52, but we got minus 50 on that last one. Did I add the minus 50? Let me go to today's trades. All right, let me update this because I didn't know I didn't update the other. And then we got minus 50. So we got our $50 back. We got to get our 192 back, eh? Let's get our 192 back. Okay, let's see. Tough chat. Trying to hold these trades. Trying to hold these trades. This was a good push though. Almost 40 points. Got up to 38 points. Look at that 5-minute close. What? You want food? I can't. Just a little bit. Milo, you want food? Come here. Milo, come here. Milo, come over here. Over here, Milo. We're here. Come. No, not that way. This way. This way. No, Diamond. Milo. Here. Here. Thanks for the mess. Thank you for the mess. Yep. You happy? Okay, now you both had food. Bye. Bye. Thanks for coming through. You got paid. Alright, chat. Back to these charts. Back to these charts. Yeah, I may just start closing these 40-point moves. And we'll just rack it up that way, you know? Alright, pushing back down below 450 now. We're at 440. Jeez, we're just in the 70s now, in the 40s. My goodness. Can't win in these markets. We had a good, let me see. Let me come down here. We had decent moves when we consolidated for an hour. Then we had a push. And in about 10 minutes, it's about to be an hour of this consolidation. Ridiculous. And yes, I do see gold, chat. Looks like gold set up a push at 11. See, this one was on the 1 minute. So I mean, chat, missing all these like 1 minute moves. What? 6 for 32 is insane. What? What? 6 for 32? That like a 8x? I'm trying to think. Yeah. That would have been quite the finale of a trade. That would have been perfect. Anybody get this gold trade? Let me know in the chat. We were watching on the 5. Hey chat, when you think the 5 minute is good enough, nope, you gotta watch it on the 1 minute. Or you miss these moves. That was a great move down here. Let me know if you got it. That was great. Black Math, you missed it. Oh no. Dang. That would have been 1600 if my math is correct. If my math is wrong, then it's above 1400, but I believe that would have been 1600. How much will we do per point here? Let's get the calculator out. Let's get the calculator. Yeah, we do like $40 a point here, and we're still within risk. And what was it, 32 points? Oh, I was way off. Okay, well, I say 1600. It would have been 1280. Ooh, damn. That's a miss we don't want to miss. 1280 and then minus the 197. Been up 1,000 for the day. Done. Well, chat, this is a good example of why you don't let losses get to you, because you want to trade in a way where you can make it back 4 losses in one trade. You know what I mean? Like, okay, cool, I'll make back a few losses in one trade. That's the way I look at it. You know? I try to risk between 200 and 300. So try to keep it there just because of, you know, you only allowed so much leverage. Got 8 minutes till this 30-minute candle closes. I feel like it's just toying with us for a little bit here. I may just let it close. We're not in any major zone right now, you know. We've been in this range for a little bit. It's kind of annoying. So right now I'm just chilling. Losses give you good data as well. This is why journaling is important. Yeah, let's talk about that. Smokey said nope, but my gold cells are activated. I know you're not eating nothing. Come here. Yeah. Leave that alone. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Chat, he is so funny, chat. You think I can't hear him when he's over there getting into stuff. Funny boy. It's the funny boy. But yeah, let's talk about journaling. I've been seeing a lot of influencers make fun of people for journaling, making fun of other influencers for telling their followers to journal. I don't know why there's so much bullying in trading. It's so weird. Journaling as a beginner and as intermediate is on your road to profitability. Journaling is important. You know, once you're pretty much profitable, of course you're going to journal less, right? There may be times where you go back to journaling, like if you're stuck in a rut, you'll go back to it. But once you're trading pretty consistently, yeah, obviously you're probably not going to journal every single thing. But I don't know. I see a lot of bullying online about it. Kind of weird, right? There's nothing wrong with journaling and evaluating yourself. That's how you get better. It's just like basketball players. Their journaling is them rewatching the tapes. They have to rewatch tapes of their gameplay and review what could I have done better at this move? What did I miss? Same thing. So yeah, I just think it's weird people are bullying about it online. NASA's selling off. Brynward, welcome to the stream. Good morning to you. MNQ is NAS. NQ is NAS. M stands for micro. GC, gold. M stands for micro. Okay, so we got gold to the left. We got NAS to the right. And I'm a little bit less focused on gold for the rest of the stream, so that's why it's minimized. So I have NAS a little bit bigger. But man, I wish we got this gold buy here. Holy, this would have been phenomenal. Phenomenal. And chat, this is a good example of why you just stay patient and you, even though we didn't get it, but hypothetically, if we did get it, it's a good example of why you just stay patient, you just wait. Boom, there's another setup, you take it, you make back your loss, you hit your goal for the day, hit above your daily goal for the day, all in one trade. It's very much possible. You know, very, very much possible. All right, back down to the VWAP we go here. We're hanging around 410. 410. Candle closes in about 3 minutes. Did we miss something here? I want to see it on a lower time frame, so I want to see it. Oh, no. No, but this is definitely a point where you want to sell below it. But look how many times we swept below this area. Look how many times. And we just haven't actually had a fall yet. We kind of got this going on too. You see that? Y'all see that, chat? We kind of got this going on.
Don't sit in courses you've already taken. University of Phoenix accepts eligible transfer credits and has a scholarship for
That'd be quite the fall down.
your degree faster.
But yeah, my theory is, you know, we failed to hold this level. We should be coming down. It's just a little tricky because we already closed below it and we didn't stay below it.
What's up, Spotify? This is Han. I remember this one time we were on tour. We didn't have any guitar picks and we didn't have time to go to the store, so we placed an order on time and it got us the next day ready for the show.
We will see. 2 minutes and the 30-minute is gonna close, y'all. 2 minutes. All the way from South Africa. Let's go. Wow. It's 6:25 your time. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm about to go long on gold. Oh, did I read that too late? Are you already long?
Now let the knot help you with everything else. The knot connects you to the
Quick
wedding
scalp.
expo, vendors,
That's how I look at it. I don't stress super high win rate because I know risk management really keeps me in the game. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even worry about it.
every little detail.
Same here.
Budgets and more.
My win rate, depending on the month, could be all over the place.
Get started
You
at
know.
knot.com/audio.
And remember, chat, you could have a 30% win rate and be profitable. I know. I know. But, I mean, that's just due to your R to R. Every trader's different. Some traders have a low R to R, but they got a high win rate, and that works. You know, that works great. So, some people have a low win rate, but a high R to R, and that also works phenomenal. So, yeah, you just have to be able to identify who you are. That's why you can't really copy people too much in trading. You can just take tips and tricks, but you gotta figure out who you are as a trader. What are you good at? I'm gonna move, oh yeah, this one. This one's gotta go, this one's gotta go. We're gonna move this one. Actually, we're not gonna move it. We're gonna keep that there. We're gonna go to 65. I better leave my socks alone. And we're gonna go to 70. And I need to add something. Oh, wow, I don't have a line for a while up there. No levels. Wow. I mean, I'm cool with it, but jeez. All right, we got a closure there. Wow. I'll put it back in the middle, child. I'll put it back. About right here. Is that right? Is that in the middle? Let me see. Is that in the middle? I can't tell. Oh, okay, that looks better. I did not know it was messed up. Yeah, okay, I think that looks a little better. All right, new 30-minute candle. I'm gonna put gold on the 1 minute. Even though it looks like it's gonna continue bullish. Tough luck on gold, y'all. We did close bearish below here, but we're back inside of that pinch area. If we break down, like if we break this low on NAS, yeah, I'd love to take the setup, but 82 point risk is not ideal, so I'm going to have to look on a lower time frame. I guess on the 5 minute, if we break the low, 38 point stop loss. The pinch chat. We'll see. We're watching it right now because we're just literally chilling in this area. Oh, wait. Wait. The 15-minute looks like one of those QB candles, which would mean we may be going bullish. I'm just measuring the wick. 18. Oh. Okay. Maybe going bullish here, chat. Move this line down here. Flip up bullish. 17 point stop loss. Try to do the math out real quick. $17 stop loss. I like this flip up bullish here. See if we can break that high. Stop loss will be below here. Or below here, I'm sorry. Oh, there we go. We're gonna take that buy. Right below here. Man, 3-minute candles messing with us. We had a nice steep wick. I was looking for this steep wick to be formed, which it did, and once it flipped up bullish, we entered, and boom, it flips right back, right? I was looking for that nice steep wick here. Jeez. So much for a steep wick there. What happened here? Show what I was looking at. Right here, if I can draw a straight line. I really like this setup here. And I was looking at this, kind of like a candle flip play, sort of, on this level. I really like that. Gold said nah. Nice push on gold sells. What's up, Jelani? Let's see. Still here waiting. Good things. How about you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How's the Fisher fam doing today? That's a great question. How are y'all doing today? No, chat. This is what I was looking for. This steep wick here in a push up. Isn't that what I said? They got us. They got us. I may give it another chance though. Have to be lower risk though. Just slightly lower than the last one. If I do give this another chance though. See what it looks like now. Unreal. And we bounced off of 400 too. I mean, we had already bounced off of 400, so that's why, also why I wanted to take this. Alright, giving it another chance here. Same setup, same theory. Giving it another go. That's crazy, huh? All that to make an even steeper wake. Crazy. Alright, if we get a push back to the 470s. Again, looking to see if we can touch 500 today. Wait, I remember y'all was telling you when gold sells. I just see gold going up right now. What is going on with gold? Bipolar gold, huh? Let me know, those of you who said you were in gold sells, are you still in gold sells or are you out of those sells? Gold is being extra. It looks like it was just a retest down here. But yeah, back over to NAS. Looking to see if we can hit 500, which would be 78 points. There goes our break even button. So I'm gonna hit break even on that. Alright, we're up about 20 something points. Looking to hit about 78 points. We can get past 78 points. It'd be nice to hit this $1,000 trade, but it would be nice if we could hit 140. 140 would be 1,400, so that'll be all the losses plus 1,000. But man, chat, you saw how we got burnt out on that first. This right here. Wow, break even that quickly. Oh my goodness. Can't win, chat, can't win. I'm just trying to figure out how many points this was. This was 28 points in profit. And a crash back down. Jeez. Can't hold any trades, chat. Can't hold no trades. Break even it is. Gold gonna, what is that? Gold gonna clear out everybody. Only 3 more days till the end of the month. Let me start new trades for me. Wait, you're not taking trades because it's the end of the month? Gold, you whole ass. Well, I mean, we do have this, you know, we do have this here that gold came down and tested, so you grasp it on a lower time frame. It's right in here, so I could see why we came down. We had a good launch out of there. And then if you scale it down to the 1 minute, you can grasp it really well. Those of you who like that smart money trading or whatever you call it, whatever the new kids want to call it after 2020, it's institutional trading, but yeah. Back we go in this range. This range. It's been in this range. It is 11:40 in New York and been in this range since 10:25. We're that old now because I want to cry. Not what the new kids call it. Well, I'm saying like after 2020, it became a whole thing after 2020. But the internet picks and chooses what they make popular. You know, the internet picks and chooses. The internet's like a popularity contest, chat. Whatever people deem to say is cool is cool. Whatever people deem to say is not cool ain't cool. And that's how people's mindsets are. They only go with what's trending. It's really dumb. Honestly. You gotta have a mindset of your own. You can't go to what's popular. You gotta go to what works for you. You know? Whatever works for you.
Don't sit in courses you've already taken. University of Phoenix accepts.
Okay, let's see here, y'all. I am on the 15-minute.
With Amex Platinum, welcome to the Centurion Lounge.
Now, see, yesterday we had a burnt out day on stream, but like an hour after stream, I caught a really nice setup. I caught this one, and very small stop loss. My stop loss was 6 points. So I was able to capitalize on that and throw 20 contracts on that one. My stop loss is only 6 points. Only had to risk 120. Already up 220 in the screenshot. We got all the way up to profit there. Almost made back all the losses from yesterday. And then I had the NAS set up, risking 177 for 240. Threw 5 contracts on this, so we were able to do $10 a point. So yeah, made back all the losses after stream and some. So I wonder what's gonna happen today. We make back. See what we make back after stream. So at this point, it's looking a little slow. I may give it like a walk away and come back, like I did yesterday. And we'll see what we got. And those trades yesterday were only like 20, 30 points. No, 30 points. They're like 30 points. Infinite Gems, welcome to stream. Have I taken any trades today? Yes. Look at Nas. I need to be caught in this choppiness, but I'm liking the way Nas looks again. May give it another go. Stop loss of 26. Right here at the candle flip zone. So annoying. Will we just make a W? Are you kidding me? Or a triple bottom, basically. Just annoying. Got break even on the last one. We're gonna give it another go here. I like this retest on this candle. Looking for this 5-minute flip up. But it is very testy. You said gold's playing games? I mean, it came back into this candle, had a launch up, and it's just been continuing there. Okay, let's see. We're giving NAS another try. Yeah, I guess gold's opportunity was down here. I didn't like gold on the 3 minute, and I didn't like it on the 5 minutes, so I was paying no mind to it. 1 minute was bipolarly chopped. So, I guess it was okay. I guess it was a-okay. Now if I try to group this range together, like if I try to like group it together the best way I can, that's what it would look like. If you have trouble, take it from the starting point. This is the starting point. You can always get the starting point. This is the high. So then just drag it across. Looks like we may be creating a support on top of it, like we kind of did before. But hard to say, we are at the top of it. Need price to break away from it back to the 70s. So we'll see if we can get back up to the 70s. But yeah, we've been in this range for so long. So long. Even on the 15 minute, it's got the vibe there. Even on the 15 minute. It's got that like 3-bar reversal vibe. Don't like this chat. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm done for the day, chat. I'm gonna call it a day. Just not seeing it today. You know? But I mean, after stream, I'll always a banger, so we'll see. But yeah, just not seeing it today. I think that if we go back, this was at 11 o'clock. Missing setups, really. Let's talk about missing setups, because, and this isn't a setup where it's like, oh my god, we missed it. It was in front of our face. It wasn't in front of our face. We're on 5 minute when this happened. But what I want to say is, if you haven't learned yet, when you miss a setup that could have made you like really great profit for the day, it does take a turn in your trading day, because had you had that setup, you'd be like, oh, okay, I'm having a great day. Maybe you'll cut it. Versus you didn't get that setup, continue trading, and then it's kind of like, well, you know what I mean? So what I would say is it's very important to just take note of when you're missing setups and then you're only getting the loser setups and you're missing all your win setups. That's tough. You know, it's going to give you a tough day. So hopefully you can learn that from me without learning it the hard way. that's very, very, very tough. It's not easy to get picture perfect setups every day. Don't believe what you see online from people, because people are posting the best of the best that they could do, yes. But if they were actually doing what, let me say something, if people were actually doing what they were doing, what you see them post, they're not gonna be in people's Discord posting it all day, or be in people's Telegram or Facebook group, whatever group, whatever private group there is. They're not gonna be in the private group posting post all day. You know what I'm saying? Because when you do it regularly, you just do it. So look at this too. Look at this. So this is like a classic bullish pattern, where, and I'm gonna draw it for you so that you know what I was looking at. I'm gonna draw it for you, and I'm gonna look for one so you can actually see it. Let me just change the candlestick colors. I'm gonna draw this pattern for you, okay? Thanks for transparency, no problem. Okay. I'm gonna show you this pattern real quick, chat. Don't leave the stream, don't leave the stream. And then I want you to look at NAS after I show you this pattern. I'm gonna go bullish. Okay. So this is so extra, this candle, right? So let me show you how extra it is though. Let's take the pattern that it usually does. Whoops. Okay, so we have a bearish candle. Right, we come down. We have that going on, right? Now, I didn't fully get that here, but that's okay. It's okay. It can be a little more full over body. It's not letting me do it. Okay, anyway, we have this going on, right? And then the next candle is going to be bullish. Where's the thing? Cool, everybody cool with that? Like we got going on over here. Okay. So similar thing like we have going on here. Now look at this candle right here that's bearish. Right, this long retest of a candle. A lot of times we do have that. Right, especially when this closes like way more above like this did. It's very typical. Very, very typical that the next candle is bearish. That happens. It's a normal setup. It's normal. And then what happens after that? Well, usually the next candle is bullish. And we swing it up. And we launch. Right, so let's put this all together. Sorry, chat. Try to put it all together. So this is the pattern we're looking at. Right, we have a 3-bar reversal. We close above. Then we get that retest of a candle for the 4th candle. Right, that's bearish. And then the 5th candle is the flip. Okay? 3-bar reversal. There goes the 3-bar, closes above. The 4th candle is a bearish retest. 5th candle is a launch. Now I want you to see what they ended up doing over here. Watch this. If you know this pattern already, then I know you already see it. You already see the BS. Let's take it back in time. So we have 3-bar reversal. We close above. There goes your 3-bar. 4th candle must close bearish if it's doing a retest. Boom. 5th candle, which is the one we entered on, this bullish candle. 5th candle is the launch. did not get the launch, did we? Nope. And look at this next candle. You know what that means? Too many people were in buys. Too many people were in buys. So I'm just showing you that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show you that we're going to find that pattern. Let's look for it on gold. Because gold is a little bit more than that. Let's see if we can find it on gold so you can get a nice example of it. Here's a small example of it. Not exactly to the T, but hear me out. 3-bar reversal. Third candle closes above. Fourth candle closes bearish for a retest. Fifth candle gives you the launch. Now there are times where the fifth candle won't launch all the way up, and then the next candle will carry the launch. But the point is after that fourth candle, we should be launch, 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 launch. You see that? Everybody see that? Let me get a 3 in the chat if you see that. Let's see who's paying attention. Let me get a 3 in the chat. Let's see who's paying attention. So when we bring it back over, yes, we're having the launch now. We were supposed to have a launch, but hopefully you can see us getting stopped out on this wick is so... It's so unusual, it's not even funny, okay? It's so unusual, it's not even funny. Hopefully you can see that. We're going to keep going, see if we can find some more examples so you can really see it. Let's see, we'll find one. We'll find one. But that's a good example of the probability of the market, right? This is why you can't say you 100% know because, you know, they'll throw in stuff like that. Here goes one. Okay, here we go. This one's not pitch perfect, but it's kind of like a 3-bar. This will be the third candle. Fourth candle closes bearish for the retest. Fifth candle, launch, launch, launch. Not a perfect one. That's a bad one, but same concept. Life with options. What's up? What's up? Appreciate you coming through. Let's see. We gotta get y'all a better example. Better example. I think y'all are getting it though. Y'all are getting it. Y'all are getting it. It's hard to find it in the choppiness. This one's a little different, but similar concept. We kind of have that 3-bar. When we close above the 3-bar, we got that bearish closure of the retest, and then launch, launch, launch candle. Launch, launch, launch. Right? And sometimes, yeah, the launch could do a little liquidity wick, but on the launch candle, not. Yeah. What's happening, Biggs? What's up, Biggs? So how can we correct ourselves, right? Because that's one thing I like to do. How can we correct? Now, I was using gold as an example because gold has a lot more examples. Looking back, stop loss was here. What if the stop loss was here? So this was a 27-point stop loss. What if it was a 60-point stop loss? Well, the 60-point stop loss would have kept us in that trade. And we're finally getting a push above 76, which is what I was looking for. I was looking for a push above 76 so that we can reach that 500 level. And this was TP1. And if we did push past the 500s today, this was going to be the final TP. Tough work, huh? Tough work, tough work. But that's okay, chat. What did you learn today? Well, you learned today that sometimes you gotta have a 60-point stop loss. But yeah, I mean, that's unfortunate that we had to have a 60-point stop loss to stay in this. That is unfortunate. 60 points is a lot. It is a lot. Like it's quite a bit. It ain't cheap. But that's okay. Gold gonna sell for a short while, then go up. Oh, you're looking at gold. If you have entered at the wicks, give you less stop loss. Good RR, I guess. Wick also hold too many times. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. If we had entered lower, I didn't see it till after though, so I entered kind of late, right? I entered at let's see what time this was. Entered at 11:45, so I entered pretty late. If we go to a lower time frame, at first I didn't enter late though, right? At first we got break even. We entered down here at first, so we did enter. Let me show you. If those who came to the stream a little later, we entered here at first, was holding out the trade, got break even, and then re-entered. Not there. Re-entered like here, somewhere on this wick. Yeah. But yeah, the original entry we had was here, but we got break even. Tough. On some whole ass day. Oh, that is so funny. It's a whole ass day, yeah. I guess. Jeez. This is such an interesting trade because we did enter here. Whoops, wrong way. We entered here at first. Break even. And then we enter here. And it stopped. Oh, there we go. Pushing by 500, y'all. There goes the push. I was very confident in this was going to buy up to 500. Which is why I gave it another try. But usually when I take this setup, I've taken this setup many times. I usually do put my stop loss here. It's usually pretty good. So it was just one of those points where it just wasn't good today, you know? But yeah, that's okay. That's okay, chat. We're just evaluating it. Too bad we got in here at the 5-minute flipping up. Hey. Doing all that itching. Yeah, get out of here. Sorry, that was my dog. Too bad we entered here on this wick spike, because if we had entered here just like literally 2 minutes later, would have been good, huh? Yeah, that was diamond. Yeah, how'd you know? Yeah, literally like 2 minutes later, would have been good there. Not that we expected a liquidity, so that's the other thing, right? You can't approach it in a way where you're like, oh yeah, I knew there was a liquidity wave coming. No, we didn't know. Jeez. Tough work though, chat. Tough work. Tough day. But that is okay. That's why we're here. Showing you the tough days. Because a lot of people don't show you the tough days. They just show you that they buying a new car off of their courses. buying a new car off of their apps. They don't show you these days. And I think, that's why I always have the theory, like, people don't know how to handle these type of days because they don't see anybody have these days. But then you gotta blame the internet too, because the internet will shame you for having these type of days. So it's like a hit or miss. Blacktail Milo's light skin. Yeah, Milo is light skin. He's here. He's just. Wait, did you eat my sock? Where's my other sock? Milo. You didn't eat my sock, did you? Get up. Where's the other sock? You better not have eaten it. I think he ate my other sock. Alright, chat. I'm gonna head off of stream here. I will catch you later. Alright. Have a great day. Appreciate you coming through. We will be live tomorrow. Alright. I'll catch you later. Thank you so much.